Hello guys, welcome back. It's another things, but for today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Rematch Gamepad not working. So if you're having problems with your Rematch Gamepad and it's not working properly, well, there are a few things here that you could try. So first things first is you may want to check your device or your Rematch Gamepad via Device Manager. So you want to go to search here, just type in the following. It's going to be Device Manager. Go ahead and open it up. And in here, what we need to do is you want to go and look for your gamepad. Now, to be speaking, it should be under the section for sound, video, and game controllers. And you want to look for your Rematch gamepad. Now, in some cases, if you don't see it in here, you may want to go ahead and go to the human interface devices as well and just look for your gamepad. Now, in my case, let's go and choose Bluetooth here so that I have my controller in here. So what you could do here is you want to go and right click on your gamepad. You want to choose the option here that says disable device. Now, once you click on the disable, it's going to say or ask you, are you sure you want to disable this? You want to go and click on yes, and just once you click on yes, this will disable your specific device here. But once you've disabled it, you want to go and right click on it and click on the enable device as well in here. Now, what we just did is we turned off and we turned on our controller here, and hopefully that would actually help a lot. So also you can go and right click on this and you want to go and click on update driver here and see if there are any updates for your gamepad here. So you want to go and click on browse your search automatically for drivers online here and see if that actually helps. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.